Welcome to a new video on Bakenor channel. Today we will talk about the distinction between male and female in cocktaiel birds. The cocktaiel bird is an easy bird to distinguish between male and female through sound, shape and behavior. The first thing is separation by voice. The male is distinguished by his beautiful tweeting, as it emits a distinctive whistle while the female does not tweet like a male. It is also possible to distinguish by form, and that is after the age of 6 months. For example, in the Ethiopian cocktaiel, we find the male with a clear yellow face color and has clear orange spots, while the female face is gray and orange spots faded. Also, for the tail, the male's tail color is dark black, while the female's tail color is gray. We also find the female wings and their tail are light marks like dots and do not exist at the male. And there is a more accurate method. It is by measuring the distance between the pelvic bones, when the male is narrow and the female is wide. The results of this method are considered more correct. All signs do not appear in birds for less than 6 months. There are many behaviors that distinguish male from female and appear follow-up and control. So we got to the end of the video. I wish you liked the video. Support us with like, share, and subscribe to me. Waiting for your opinions in the comments. Bye bye.